Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country and you've joined me here today at this stunning 3-bedroom townhouse on Grove Street in Leamington Spa. Just a short walk to the train station and a short walk to the Leamington Parade. Let's take a look inside. The real benefit of this property is a lock-up at the side where you can park a vehicle securely off-road. You've joined me in the courtyard garden of this fantastic home. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.